everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical. Today I'm going to be unboxing the K404M-CA CPR Training Kit. Your kit will arrive in 2 separate boxes, and today I would like to go through a little bit about what you will receive in each box. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with the contents of the larger box. Please bear with me, there is a lot included in this kit and limited table space, so I'm doing my best with what I have here. So this kit includes 4 PRESTAN Professional Adult Manikins. I wanted to highlight a few things about these mannequins that are included in this kit, but for more information, please feel free to check out the videos that I've linked below. These mannequins are fully compliant with the current American Heart Association guidelines. The mannequins come with a 3-year factory warranty against defects in workmanship, and here at MCR Medical, we handle all warranty claims on behalf of PRESTAN. So if you ever have any issues at all, please feel free to contact us directly. I also wanted to note that each mannequin requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included in this kit. Next up, we have the PRESTAN AED Ultra Trainer 4-pack. So each AED trainer comes with its own zippered heavy gauge fabric carrying case, and also includes a larger carrying case that will hold all 4 AED trainers. Each unit requires 3 C batteries, which are not included, and the AED trainers also come with the 3-year warranty as well. Next up, we have the Carry-All Large Wheeled CPR Mannequin Bag. The MCR Medical Trolley Bag provides users with the convenience of moving all of your CPR training supplies in one sleek, professional-looking bag. The bag is manufactured with durable, water-resistant fabric and also has a large front pocket for storage of smaller items. The Carry-All Large Wheeled Bag holds 4 adult mannequins with their heads attached. Your kit also includes a few MCR medical accessories that are sure to enhance your CPR training classes. First up, we have the 4-pack of Mani Vests, which will help keep your mannequins clean and you looking stylish. They also help students practice a lifelike scenario when they will have to remove clothing before applying AED pads. Next up, we have the MCR Medical CPR Kneeling Mats. You will receive 4 in this kit. These mats are awesome because patients that are in need of resuscitation often don't conveniently collapse on a floor or table, so students must practice their life-saving CPR skills on the floor so that they're ready in a real-life scenario. Our kneeling mats are a bit larger than others, so that helps to prevent against lower back pain, knee stress, and any reluctance on the student's part to practice in a kneeling position. As previously mentioned, your CPR training kit will come in 2 boxes. In your second, smaller box, you will find the 4-pack of PRESTAN Infant CPR Mannequins, as well as the 4-pack of MCR Medical Mani Bibs. To highlight a few features of the PRESTAN Infant Mannequins, like the adults, they are fully compliant with the current American Heart Association guidelines. They come with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, and each mannequin also requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Last but not least is the 4-pack of MCR Medical Mani Bibs. Like the Mani Vests, the Mani Bibs will help to keep your infant mannequin clean, stylish, and you looking professional. The Mani Bibs come equipped with a small front pocket so that students have a clear visual of the feedback device located in the diaper area of the mannequin. For your convenience, the Mani Bibs were designed to fold down to allow easy access to the chest for lung bag installation without having to remove the entire onesie. Now you know what to expect when you receive your CPR training kit. For more quality CPR training products and accessories, feel free to check out the MCR Medical storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.